The process of adding shaders in Blender is well known for its inherent tediousness, requiring careful navigation through various menus and nodes to achieve the desired visual effects. But wait, we've got a time-saving Blender tip for you. A quick and efficient way to add both mixed shaders with just a snap. We often use the Node Wrangler add-on to add mapping and texture coordinate nodes. But did you know it's also handy for effortlessly combining mixed shaders? To unleash this magic, you should have both nodes you want to combine. In this example, I'm using the principled BSDF and glossy BSDF. Hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys, then drag the right mouse button. This will generate a node-like string. Drag the mouse and leave it on the second node. Now you can see, it automatically adds a mixed shader node between both nodes. But wait, it doesn't just stop here. Let me add a color ramp node. Let's repeat the same process. Hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys, and drag the right-click mouse button. This action will seamlessly add another mix shader node. But wait, you can see here, this time it has added a mix RGB node, giving you even more options for color manipulation in your shader setup. This clever method effectively reduces the tedious process of adding a mix node and subsequently changing it from float to color.